Interestingly, the markets today kind of suggesting that things are okay enough with the consumer. There might be enough to go around. Some of the mall chains, Gap and L brands gaining as well as Amazon. So not being viewed strictly as a zero-sum game, or the traditional retailers are so busted down that that any relief is worth a little more.
Why are you loving Gap so much?
What's that?
Why are you loving Gap so much?
I think Gap is interesting in this environment just because they've been playing defense for like 15 years. So they've been a free cash flow story. They've been tight on inventories and margins. They've been dealing with negative comps for years at Banana Republic, even when the overall industry was doing well. So I almost feel as if it's kind of a battle-tested model, and people maybe are buying clothes again. So that's actually okay for them.
Is fashion? Is
it's cheap stock.
Is a fashion cycle back? So the athleisure, that's over. Now we got to buy real pants again, or what's going on?
Well, apparently jeans have actually been quite strong. So yeah, and actually some athleisure is still strong, and some sneakers, some
Gap owns
like
Athleta, even though it's not much of a
That's very true.
Yeah.
But no, I think definitely today was all about retail, and I think the data points we've got from last Thanksgiving and then Black Friday and then today, numbers pretty good, especially online. Up 20% on Friday, up 17% Cyber Monday today. So those are good numbers. It's kind of what you would expect, and I would expect Amazon in the face of that to act well. What I was surprised at is we saw a fade in the XRT. It rallied up 1.5% in the morning, and then only to give most of it back.
So kind of like the broader market.
Yeah.
Here. Why do you think that is?
And I think it's seasonally. Seasonally, the stocks run up until Cyber Monday, and then they sell off, and they don't really usually have a good December either. So we'll have to keep an eye on some of the companies that are reporting later this week: Costco, Kroger, Tiffany, Ulta.
That's right.
So we'll get more color, I think, from companies. That's what is going to dictate, I think, the group.
What do you think the takeaway is, Dennis?
Well, Kelly, to me, the most amazing number I've seen in all of 2017 is the percentage of online retail sales that Amazon controls.
38?
43. 43%. So even if they lose market share on a secular basis, if the pie of overall online sales grows, which it obviously is, they're still coming out ahead. So you see, it sort of just makes sense. They have commanding market control of the online buyer.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.